Hi, this is Wrecking Total Parts Pro. Today with 2012 Ford Focus, stock number 7025. It's ran from the 5th 2011 to the 8th 2015. It's an LW 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the LW 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear door 3 dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Stereo mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.